O, sabay lakad ng mabilis. Yun, nakuha din. Yan. Hindi kasi...
and the officers of the General Parents and Teachers Association informed me.
Hindi ko nakita. Ano pa dito? Di ba ako sinabihan?
To all of you. It was 3 days ago when I was informed that I would be one.
Petition to be led by the principal of this institution, Dr. Teresita A. Olente. And this will be followed by the confirmation by our esteemed schools division superintendent, Dr. Crisito M. Marcilia, Section 5, represented by the Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Emelda A. Acuesta.
Superintendent, Sir Crisito M. Marcilia, represented by our PSDS, Dr. Emelda A. Acuesta. To the parents of the graduating class 2023-2024, to our guest speaker, Professor Tri, Engineer Yats De Vela, students and all the guests gracing this graduation, a pleasant day to all of you. As the school principal of Winson's Pilot High School, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for school year 2023-2024 composed of the following. For this morning, the tracks and track for this morning are Arts and Design, 6 male, 5 female. Please stand. 31 male. For humanities and social sciences, 92 male, 100 female. For TVL, AIN, we have 51 male. Office. I have found that they have satisfactorily completed the requirement for graduation. I therefore certify that the candidates from graduation have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed for secondary schools by the Department of Education under the K-12 curriculum. Madam, I humbly request for the confirmation of their graduation.
By the virtue of the authority vested in me as the authorized representative of the school's division superintendent, Restito M. Marsilia, Session 5, Office of the school's division superintendent of Camarines Norte, the Department of Education, having been presented and duly certified by the assurance of your principal, Dr. Teresita Orintein, that all of you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements needed for the senior high school curriculum prescribed for secondary schools of the Department of Education. Now, I confirm you senior high school graduates of Vincent's Pilot High School for school year 2023-2024. You are now eligible to receive your diploma. Congratulations, everyone.
Naveen Irene B. with highest honors. Elias Mary M. London DCS with honors. Amarillo TC Zoe A with highest honors. Reyes Francine B with high honors. San Juan Erlene O with honors. Sanchez Chariot Paul with high honors. Masterpiece, and this is kind of moment, set to memories, memories of memories, and this is not the future. That's
Embrace diversity. Foster care for your sons and daughters. Your presence here today is a testament to the profound impact.
Susunod na ceremony kasi meron po
Jin! Pati paglabas dyan ba naman?
Ay, video